Okay, this car's been sitting for years.
Okay, what are we doing today?
Trying to correct the cracking in the old leather. What year is this? 88? 88. 88 E30.
Okay. So
roughly, who knows the mileage? We don't know, right? Maybe 80,000? Maybe odometer doesn't work.
it's 160,000.
160,000. Okay,
Wow.
so 100,000 miles at least. So you got Krylon and also
Acetone.
acetone. Oh shit! Don't get that on the plastic, right? It'll eat a hole in it.
Yeah.
Have you,
really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Have you got acetone on anything before?
No.
Yeah.
It'll
Yeah, it's bad.
Okay. So
We got some on the wood countertops in the bathroom, and it took all the finish off it.
holy shit.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got knobs and stuff here, so we should tape those, or should we?
Just do around, or just do on the top first. See what happens.
Well, I'm gonna do it. What, right here?
Yeah,
What do you think?
well, yeah, there. That's this bolster here has had it.
This one?
Yeah, that, and then the one
This one.
the left side.
Yeah, that's not good. Okay, I'm just gonna do a little spot right here
Sure.
and see if it clears. Okay, so what we're gonna do. Gotta put some paint on here, and then you pour acetone on top, and you just wipe
Yeah.
this, okay?
Go nuts.
Gotta get some color first. Let's
I should get some cardboard. That's fine. Go nuts.
This is a safety top. Oh fuck.
Yeah, you got it. I think you just squeeze.
Is my plastic jacket gonna melt?
Well, you won't get it on it. I don't think you will.
Let's see, John on this.
Push down and turn.
Yeah.
Half the video's on opening the acetone in your phone.
All right, let's see what happens here.
Brand new. You should probably wear gloves, maybe.
Okay.
But yeah, it works. Color's not bad.
No. Okay. Close.
Yeah. What about? Yeah. Yeah, it looks decent. Way better.
That's insane, eh?
Yeah. And then how do you soften it up? It's actually. Maybe it never does soften up.
Yeah, you can still put conditioner and stuff on it.
Afterwards, yeah.
Yeah. I don't know, man. That looks pretty freaking good.
Looks, yeah, definitely better. Better. This will be a huge improvement.
Okay, let's see. Basically, it's just paint, right?
Yeah.
And the thinner just brings out the...
It evens it out, and it
brings out the
blends
others.
in with the other paint.
Here?
Yeah. Yeah, that looks good. I think he had it really wet, right?
Yeah.
He was working it in. Yeah, and then you just do the conditioner afterwards.
I don't know. What do you think?
Yeah, I don't think you need to do anything more than that.
And then just condition it.
Yeah. And that's, you don't even have it wet. Like if you had it wet, it would get in there.
That doesn't look too bad, eh? Compared to what it was?
Oh yeah.
Like that isn't too bad, eh?
Yeah. Just
Another
gotta
coat.
get it
Huh?
Yeah, got to get it looking a bit softer. That looks kind of hard. I'm surprised they haven't cracked, like split. They've cracked, but I'm surprised they haven't
split. Yeah.
Completely split open.
Wow. No way, no.
No. Yeah, compared to that,
you can't tell, man.
Yeah, it's good enough. That's what you do before you sell it.
But still, I mean, that's...
Yeah, so it's gonna take probably a couple hours to have the whole thing done. Yeah, here we go. So this is the stuff. So you spray it on a rag, mix it with acetone. Any old acetone will do. So you saw what we just did, or what Ben did. And here are the results. So 88 BMW convertible, original leather. Yeah, it's good. Nothing wrong with that.
Saved $1,000.
$1,000. So this is the only one that's, yeah, really dry, right? Really dry.
We're gonna do more with it.
Yeah.
Hand lotion's next.
Hand lotion. Yeah, it's fine. Looks good. It's still, yeah. I don't know if it's gonna get soft though, right?
It's hard to say because this plastic coating, it's hard to get moisture underneath to leather. That's the problem, right? Mm-hmm. So we'll try to just protect it, make sure it doesn't get worse.
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty awesome.
Yeah, not bad. It looked like shit if you brought it home the way it was before.
Oh, no way.
You'd be in trouble.
All right, good stuff.
Yeah.